Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to open the map in Rust and how to use it. All right. Just go ahead and press and hold G on your keyboard. Again, G, press and hold right here. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and scroll down to zoom out and scroll up to zoom in. Now, if you want to place a marker, for example, right here at T12, I'm currently at T13 right here. The yellow marker is you. All right. For example, again, I'm going to place a marker right here at the center of T12. I'm just going to click on right click right here. I have the placement number 1 and S12 right here for the second one and U12 right here for the third one. All right. Now, as you can see, when I release it, we have, as you might notice at my compass right here at the top, right at the top, I have the compass that has yellow, green, and blue. Say, for example, I wanted to head over to yellow. I'm just going to move in this direction. All right. I'm going to press and hold G again. Now I'm going to click on one, for example, this yellow. I'm going to click on it, left click. And as you can see, we have a ton of options like rename it, for example, base. And I'm going to change the icon right here, like this one. And the color of the icon for example, cyan. All right. Once done, I'm going to hit all apply. And when we open up the map again, as you can see, it is set to a base and this icon. All right. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.